Day 69. I'm sitting here and talking on camera every single day until get fluency. I will never stop, guys. I think I will never stop this challenge. Sometimes, from time to time, yeah, it can be difficult to continue doing this because you just get bored of this routine. You know what I mean? Doing the same thing every day, talking about approximately the same themes, TOEFL speaking questions. But I'm not gonna complain at all because I understand the profit of all this, what I will make, what I will get from speaking of TOEFL. Right now, it's more like right now it's already not about inspiration, like, oh yeah, I will learn English, I will do this every day and I will get better. No, it's about already like dedication and necessity of making this deal till the end. So now I can't quit, just can't quit. If I quit now, it means I gave up, but I don't want to give up. First question, do you agree or disagree with the following statements? If you want to succeed in business, being outgoing and friendly is very important. I disagree with this statement because you're not supposed to be very friendly in business, because first of all, business is created for making profit, for making money, for creating some new ideas and evolving. You know, it's not for making friends. For making friends, you can just in real life, you already have these friends probably. If you're making business, you need to first of all be honest to people. You need to just create this normal communication, connections between people in a normal, educated way, obviously, but not being close friends. Of course, you can find friends in business. We can't rule it out, but this is not the main goal. In the second task question, what does the female student think about the bike lanes? I listened to the conversation between two people before this question, and it was discussion about really advantages or disadvantages the construction of these bike lanes in university. Or a female student here, she told that it wasn't actually a necessity to build bike lanes in university, but in general, good idea. It was necessary because students mostly are not afraid of using bicycles. Drivers who drive car, they're pretty careful in a campus territory because no one has been in a hurry. It's a pretty close distance between houses and campus, so and students being in safety, there is no danger to be hit by car. But as a cyclist, she told that for some students it can be really good inspiration use, and maybe they will try bicycles, ride a bike more often. Third task, explain the concept of social cognition that the professor talks about. Your social cognition is the way how we perceive, reflect, and react to the environment and people around us. For example, one of the way to recognize the emotions of someone is the smile. In some cultures, smile is the bright sign of the kindness of people. They're going to be friendly to you, they're ready to continue talking to you, and this kind of, they're really happy to be with you. But in other cultures, it can be only reflection that people being polite with you and nothing more. It's not the sign to get closer. So we need to be ready to interpret it differently. In the last task, it was lecture about how art can influence people and even cause protests. For example, through the art, authors and artists often can represent, express their emotions, their feelings, and their opinion about some theme, what's on edge right now. For example, about the war, about political situations, about anything. During the First World War, some artists in France, they created a drawing with some slogans maybe, or caricatures to explain people that something is going wrong, something like this, and it made actually serious impacts, and it caused protests, as far as I understood from the lecture. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, pretty the same with the literature. Like I know a lot of examples, even in history of my country, when authors, they were eliminated, they were banned in our country because of wrong thoughts. For our governments, it was wrong thoughts at that time, but actually they expressed just the true and trying to connect with the people through the literature, through the arts, the same way. Yeah, and sometimes it can be not fair. See you tomorrow. Be good. Let's continue speaking challenge.